Hi, babies. Here's Nana to read you another story, and tonight we're going to read There is a Bird on Your Head. That sounds like it's going to be fun. I hope you enjoy it.
There is a Bird on Your Head by Willems. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes, there is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Oh. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Do you see the eggs? One, two, three. You have three eggs on your head. I do not want three eggs on my head. Well, then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have three baby chicks on my head and two birds and a nest. I do not want three baby chicks, two birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else. Well, why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Uh-oh, look at Piggy. Piggy has two birds, a nest, and three baby chicks on his head. How about that?
But that was a fun story. And how many birds do you have on your head? Do you have any on your head? I don't have any on my head. Good night, babies. I love you.